Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Miami Automobile. Guys, I have with me here Hyundai Santa Fe 2014-15 model. Guys, I want to show you guys how to replace your battery on your remote. So we're gonna press this button, take off the key, then use the same key to open from here or also from here. Just bar it, then we are good to go. Sorry guys, it's too hard. Okay, let's open. Alright guys, so this is how you take out your remote control battery, and then you can just use any sharp object to take the battery out. Alright guys, we have 2032 is the battery. So guys, this is how you take out your remote control battery, and then because this car, when you press the remote, doesn't work, you have to take the key to the thermostat to push before the car restarts. So guys, I'll be replacing the battery, and with 2032. This is Santa Fe 2014-15 model. So guys, if this is your first time watching my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, share my video. Thanks for watching.